In this example, we're being asked a limit question. The limit is x approaches 2 from the right of f of x, and we're given a graph over here on the right to use to answer that question. So for me, the first thing I do on a limit question, step one of my process, is I always draw what I call my wall. And so the wall is that x value that you're approaching. So in this problem, we're being asked what happens as x approaches 2. So I come over here to 2 and I draw myself a wall at 2. And I'm looking for when I run into that wall. Step 2 of the process is I need to determine, is this a left-hand limit, a right-hand limit, or an overall limit? And so in this situation, we can see up in the exponent there, we've got a little plus sign. And so that plus sign is telling us that we are looking for a right-hand limit. That little notation up top there is telling us we want to come at this from the right direction. The last step of the process is to actually just go ahead and do that right-hand limit. So we're given a graph to work from, so we just follow our graph. So from the right direction, following along my graph, where does it look like I run into the wall? Well, it looks like I run into my wall right here at this y value of -1. And so my right-hand limit answer is -1. You'll notice that when we're talking about limits, we don't care if there's an open circle there or a closed circle or a dot. We don't care anything about that. A limit just cares what does it look like I'm headed towards. And it looks like we're headed towards that wall and hitting it at y value of -1.